When we talk about rat control in plantations, we should start with Integrated Pest Management or IPM. This focuses on prevention first, not only on reaction. It is crucial for us to establish barn owl early by giving them proper nests. This encourages them to stay in the plantation area. We will then monitor rat damage. Here, we prefer to bait only in problematic blocks where the damage exceeds the threshold level. When we have identified the problem blocks, we will use response baiting with a first-generation rodenticide. Many plantations recommend wax block for this step because it fits the IPM approach and it is suitable for areas where biological control like owl are active. Now, if the damage is higher or significant, we can use the multiple baiting technique. Also with the first generation rodenticide. Multiple baiting means we place up to 4 baits at each point, which help to reduce labor costs. When plantation follow these steps, we can bring serious outbreak under control. In tropical climates like Southeast Asia, rain and high humidity can break down weak bait very quickly. Rats also do not tend to eat in open spaces. They usually grab the bait and bring it back to their nest to eat. If the bait breaks apart or turns into powder, the rat cannot carry it properly and so it may be abandoned or not be eaten. No matter how strong the active ingredient is, the rodenticide will not work if the bait fails. So two things matter a lot. Palatability decides whether the rat is attracted to the bait and eat it. Durability decides whether the bait lasts long enough to actually be eaten. Recommend wax block perform in both areas. It is wax coated, so it is weather resistant and stay intact even in rain and moisture, and it's easy for rat to carry. Its unique formulation is attractive and palatable to increase the likelihood of rat choosing it even when other food is around. The blue color also helps field applicators see it clearly during bait placement and census checking. This is why the formulation and design of the bait matter just as much as the efficacy. When we combine a strong bait with the right application method, we can handle high rat pressures. Besides conventional baiting, multiple baiting is also a good option. This means we place more baits at each point so the rats can feed repeatedly on first generation rodenticide. It also reduces labor costs. This helps plantations that face two common problems at the same time: high rat pressure and shortage of workers. However, it must be done in the right way. As a practical guideline, 4 baits are generally sufficient when the placement and follow-up check are done correctly. Recommend wax block is suitable for multiple baiting because its durability and workers can handle it easily during large baiting rounds. So the concept of multiple baiting is powerful, but the success comes from the correct application in the field. Today, when plantation talk about rat control, the question is not only does it kill rats? The question is also, can we pass audits, protect barn owl, and still increase yield? Certification bodies look at how plantation manage pests. They look at the type of rodenticide used, how often it is applied, and whether there's a real effort to reduce the impact on non-target animals. In that context, a first-generation rodenticide like recommend wax block is a practical choice. It uses combinatorial as an AI, which support plantations that need to manage secondary toxicity risks and want to keep barn owl as part of their rat control strategy. Recommend wax block makes it easy to follow IPM, support barn owl populations, and satisfy certification and the planter's expectations at the same time. The product is one part of the story. I'm a planter by training and a scientist by profession. My focus has always been practical rat management that protect yield and the environment at the same time. Barn owls, good agronomy, and first-generation rodenticide each have a clear rules. When they work together in an IPM system, plantation can achieve stable and long-term control of rats. This is how we build stronger and more responsible oil palm production for the future.